Well, guys, today we have built a chicken coop for them to get out of the weather. That is weather paint for exterior. What says severe weather on the can? Severe weather exterior latex. So that should hold up pretty good. Well, yeah, there's what I made. I made it out of scrap wood that we found. It was pieces like this, just pieces like that, and I borrowed a bunch of nails from my father and built this. Yeah, here's the inside of it, and it's for the 5 chickens we have. I'm gonna make a cage over there next to the center block, or the bricks over there, or maybe over next to the tree. But other than that, because this is what I had originally, and it's just looking a little janky, and I want to have it out of this area so that way they'll be able to hide in the shelter without getting rained on, and there will be a drop cord for one of these heat lamps here that you see inside of that thing there. But yeah, here's our chickens. Yeah, here's our chickens. We only have 5 of them. The darker one right there, that little one, is a bantam. And there's 2 amber links and another set of 2 red rangers. The red rangers are the darker color. The white, oh, that guy right there that's moving to the back. There's another one back there too. But yeah, these white ones are amber links. But you can see I've got chicken wire going around there. Behind that wall there's like a staircase almost, like goes up right through there, and that's how they get up here. There's their feed and water. But I had made this makeshift thing for the chickens for the past couple months, but they need something bigger soon, so they're gonna get it, and I like it a lot. And yes, this metal thing that they're in right now, it is a refrigerator. Just a refrigerator, and there's a door right here. The door is actually open, and there's a piece of plywood laying on top of it. So I'll woven in with wire, this chicken wire here, so nothing can get in there. Oh, see. Oh. Okay, see, they're using that ramp right there now, as we speak. I guess they're running off to go get some water. Okay. And that's all the video I have for today, folks.